Welcome back, Pure Structure Traders and YouTube, for another weekly mid-week trading recap for you guys for the micros challenge that we always have each and every week. We're going to be showing you guys some of the trades that we've taken on S&P 500 and also gold. We're going to go over gold first, as we didn't take too much trades this week on gold. We took in the majority of them on S&P, so we'll review those towards the end of this video for you guys. But again, these videos are for you guys to show you guys the transparency of our trades and how you can take a small amount of money and build it up to a substantial amount of money and then continue to withdraw each and every month. So again, hopefully you guys do like these videos. If you guys do, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here on gold. Show you guys what's been happening so far for this week. So for gold, you can see in the beginning of the week, we started a nice bullish move. You can see we jumped as high as 1826.4, a little bit below that, and then we started to move down throughout the actual week's movement. You can see we kind of started on Sunday and then moving through Monday, and then you can see right around, I believe, Tuesday into today, you could see we were actually starting to try to move down here. You can see we had some resistance here at 1805.3, which was some of the areas that we were looking to play off of today. But you can see we went bullish for about a day or two, and then we started to go bearish from there. And we're looking for the market to try to come back into 1794.9. So again, if you guys haven't watched those market analysis videos, please go ahead and watch them. They're definitely great videos to watch to give you key levels that we'll be eyeballing in the US session and also in the London session. So those are great videos for you guys to watch. But with that, guys, let's go ahead and move into some of the trades that we've taken this week so far on gold. So I'm going to pop this up for you guys. Again, we really didn't take too much, but I'm going to show you some of the trades. We had some nice bounces here. You can see some support happening there right around these 1811s. And we had a couple bounces. We dipped a little bit lower. There's this couple rotations we saw. Nice couple bounces. 1812.4. We got it up for about 4 ticks. Nothing too outrageous, but still a profitable trade. Good trade, fell right into our rules. Nice trade opportunity. We then ended up having a trade opportunity somewhere right up here at these 1811.8. Again, I'm going to move this off just for a second so you guys can see as we zoom in just a little bit closer to this. So 1811.8 was our long, but we saw that the market wanted to try to dip a little bit lower. It wasn't holding this and popping up, so we exited with plus a tick. You can see the market dipped a little bit lower and then started to push back up, which could have been a great opportunity of a long down here, but I didn't get the opportunity to enter the trade to go long. You can see we pushed all the way up into 1815.9, and then we had some decent short opportunities. You can see 1813.6 we went short and right into these 1812.6s. We also had 1814.1. I believe we got taken out here for about 7 ticks as it moved back just a little bit deeper on us, take us out for that stop. So not bad for the trading there. And then we also did have another level here, another trade level here. We had 2 nice bounces. 1817.4 on the long. We got into 18.4, so that was a great opportunity of trade there. Traded anything after this here on gold. So again, we didn't have too much trades, but you can see we took 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 trades throughout the week so far on gold. We'll probably take a little bit more throughout the end of this week, but we'll see what actually happens. But let's go ahead and move over into S&P. All right, so pulling up S&P for you guys, let's take a look at what we've had so far for this week. Coming in, it's been strongly, well, actually coming into the beginning of the week, we did have a strong bearish move to the downside. A lot of sellers came into that market, and we finally started to catch that support right around these 42.25s. You can see held that nice support, and we started to round back up to the upside. You can see we're all the way back up to 43.53, and potentially probably could be heading up into those 43.66.75s, and then above that 43.80.75. So we'll see if we can get all the way up into that. But again, if you want those levels, they're up on the UK market analysis for you guys. But we are looking for a continued bullish move back into some resistances up above, along with a measured move 43.95 all the way sitting up there. So we'll see if S&P can climb up there. But let's take a look at some of the trades we've taken so far on S&P 500 this. All right, so coming in here for this week on the micros challenge here, S&P 500, we took a couple shorts here on the 19th. We got a short here sitting around 42.65, shorted into 42.63.75. Good short opportunity. We had another short opportunity sitting right here at 42.68.75. We got it down to about 42.68.25, so only about 2 ticks on that one. Probably could have took it a lot deeper, just didn't get the opportunity to do that. And then we got a little bit of a shorter one right here, 42.49.25 down to 42.47.25. So some good opportunities as we were going short for the short continuational move. Moving over into some of the other trades we took, wanted to take a little bit of bigger trade sizes, meaning we added a little bit more lots and we took them for a little bit longer of trades. So you can see we went short here, 42.57, 42.57, 42.63, and 42.62.75. And you can see what actually took place. We actually got stopped out on a couple of these. 42.57, you can see we got stopped out here for a little bit longer, which is right around those 42.62.50. As we were trying to do a nice short continuational move, but it didn't work out for us. We had another opportunity to short. We got short right around these 42.63s and 42.62.75s, and you can see we got stopped out there, 42.66.50, and then 42.66.50 again as well on that for the shorts, which is okay. We had a trade idea. We want to continue the actual short lower. I'll show you guys this, what it actually looked like. Let me take this off for a second. So this was our area of prior support. We were underneath. We had a trade idea. We wanted to continue this short to get it down a little bit lower, maybe come right down into this area after we break through this area here, but we didn't get that opportunity. That's why we're looking for the short right around that area, but we couldn't get that opportunity to short it and get it down further, so we got stopped out. But then we got a nice opportunity as the market started to find the support right on top of that peak for a continued move, and you'll see that also in our trading journal. But let me show you guys what that actually looks like here. So we took some contracts there. You can see we went long 42.66.75, 42.67.25 for 2 contracts, 42.66.25, 42.66.50. And then we got stopped out on this one, 42.60.25, as the market came a little bit lower before it went up, 42.58. But we took some good opportunities of trades long. As you can see, those 67, 66s went all the way into 42.74 for the take profits on all of those. So it was good trading there. As you can see, we didn't get too overwhelmed with the trade losses. Did want to try to take a little bit more on these trades, so you'll see what it actually amounted to as we show our trading journal a little bit later on. But let's take a look a little bit further into some of the other trades we took this week so far on S&P. You can see we had nice 1-2 touch bounce, 42, 43, 12, 50, 43, 13, kind of close enough there. 2 contracts traded, went long, we got it into 43, 14 for both of them to exit the position. Again, we have another long opportunity here, which is 43, 29, 75, goes up to 43, 31, 75, so nice 2-point move there. Then 39, 75, 40 even. You can see we got taken out, we got stopped out here. 39.75, we got stopped out. 39.50, 43.40, we got stopped out. 39.50, and we got another trade long, 43.35.50, which we took some profit on that one, which went up to 43.39.50. That was a good trade opportunity there for the long that took some profit there to cover us there. But that is what we've taken so far on S&P 500 and gold this week. So let's show you guys what the actual trading journal looks like for this week as well. So coming in, pull this trading journal up for you guys so you guys can see some of the log trades. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses, and I'm just gonna, this is an 8 because we won this one, but we took a loss in commission costs there. But you can see if we scroll down here, our profit so far for midweek has actually still been 124.06 after all the commission costs as well. and the losses. Let's take a look at what we had. Total number of trades so far this week. We have a number of 20 trades so far. Total number of winning trades, 13. Total number of losing trades, 7. You can see I counted that eighth one. Even though we kind of won, we still took a loss in commission costs. Trade win rate so far this week, 65%. Losing rate, 35%. So still good, actually. Average winning trade, $19.90. Average losing trade, $16.18. Largest winning trade so far, $67.50. Largest losing trade, about $55. So you can see we ran it a little bit longer for our trades than we usually do, as we usually are in and out. Took some longer trade opportunities this week. You can see starting balance, we didn't get up to 820 as we wanted to last week. We closed it off at 803.75, which was still profitable. But you can see closing positions and profit and loss for this week so far, midweek, 124.06. So our account balance sitting at 927.81. So again, I'm going to try to see if we can get it up to maybe about 1,000 by the end of this week, maybe 1,100. We'll see where we're currently at. We're on the third week of this week for July, so we're doing well. Again, we're trying to see if we can get to our target of 1,500. If we don't by the end of the month, again, we're still really profitable, as we started the account somewhere around 320, I believe, somewhere around there. So we're up, and we're at about 927.81 for the midweek. So doing very, very well. Again, you can see even with the losses, we do take a little bit of a bigger loss. We can see 56.76 of a loss there after commission costs. And I believe another bigger loss was somewhere around 20, close to 20 bucks, 1963 there. So again, we are taking losses and we are taking wins, but we're just not getting overwhelmed with that. That's why we show these videos for you guys each and every week, to show you guys discipline, show you guys patience, show you how you can do this on a very small account. You just got to know the type of trade setup you're looking for, the type of trader that you are. If you're aggressive, if you're conservative, you want to continue to look for that consistent trading strategy and setup every single time. You don't need multiple setups in this game, in this business, guys. You just need one. And you need to be able to apply yourself to that one strategy over and over and over again until you become confident. So you can see each and every week as we do this for you guys, we are showing you guys, there's I think maybe been 1 week where we turned out for the midweek red, and then we ended up turning it green as we continue to try to be consistent and trade, with more patience and discipline, and only according to our setup. So that's the key to this stuff, guys. That's exactly what you want to do. You want to make sure you're not trying to apply and approach the market with different strategies, but just use one specific strategy. If you don't got one, again, if you're not consistent in this trading game that we play, feel free to pop into Pure Structure Trading. We would love to go ahead and have you either as a member, you to take some coaching sessions or some coaching courses with us. We would love to teach you guys how to become consistent and profitable in trading, and how to do this even on a very small account, and to build it consistently each and every week. Not to get overwhelmed with your emotions, but to allow yourself to take your process and trade according to your process and not that outcome, and not let your emotions overtake you, but just allow your process to overtake you each and every day. Assess your trades each and every day, see what you can do better, and attack the market in that way. Make that your goal instead of money. Make it to be where you actually try to get better at each and every trade, and each and every day that you trade, try to get to better yourself and better your performance in trading. But other than that, guys, again, still profitable for midweek. 927.81 is where we're at so far. Close profits 124.06 for midweek. Gonna try to close out somewhere around 1,000 to about 1,100. So we'll see where we're at the end of the week. But again, if you guys continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. If you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. That's why we do this for you guys, because we'd love to answer you guys' questions. Other than that, guys, you guys take care. You guys have a great night. Trade well. Take care. Bye.